Hi traders and viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I made around 7,000 for net profit, but actually I made 40,000 profit. But because of my target, I lost that profit. I'll explain that what is that entries and exits. So so this is the today's chart. So market started here, this place. So first entry, I took the first entry, this red candle, off of this, exactly off of this place, off of this candle. So for the downside, I'll tell you the reason why I have taken the entry here for the downside. See, so market started here, it came down and went upside, and exactly this point, see this line here, it took reversal. So why market took reversal here? I'll tell you the reason. See, if you come back little back there, which take 20 second. If you see the 20-second market, there was a big crash on that day. Exactly from this point, I marked a line, right? See, exactly from this point, there was a big crash. So that means it this work as a supply zone for today. So it worked. So that means it this line, I mean this point will work as a resistance. So it is a resistance zone. So that is the reason whenever the market formed a red candle, so immediately I took the entry off of this candle for the downside. But here I did not follow the EMA strategy. I mean EMA crossover, right? So that is the reason I just took only a small quantity, 100 quantity only, and then my target is this place, this low place. This is the low of the low of the candle, right? I mean this time, I mean for this place, this was the low point, right? So it raised the low point and I took the profit around 5,000 here in this place, in the first entry. So this is done. First entry is done. And the second entry. See, second entry again I took the entry, this place, this green candle place. See here, this place. So here again for the downside, and I'll tell you the reason again why I have taken the entry at this place. So if you see this candle, actually this was the first time it worked as a resistance, right? See, and the second time it this line broken, actually this candle it broken this resistance line. But see, immediate usually most of the traders will take the entry here for the upside after crossing this line. But see, market sometimes it will try to fool us with a false breakout. So here that is what happened here exactly. So it was a false breakout. So it broken, this candle broken this resistance line, but immediately with the red candle it came down. So that means it was a false breakout. So I understood this. I understood that it is a false breakout. So that is the reason I took the entry again for the downside here in this candle. After seeing this red candle, I took the entry for the downside again here. So in this entry, also I got the profit. Again, the exit point is here, this place, because this is the low point. So most of the time it will work as a again support, right? So I marked a line and I took the exit here. So till here I got the including the both entries, around I made 17,000 profit here till this place, till these two entries. So then the third entry. So third entry. So see again, next candle, it broke in this support line. So this candle, and actually I should have entered here in this candle, but actually I did not get a chance to take the entry because it suddenly it suddenly it fallen, this candle. But I did not get a chance to take the entry in this candle. And one more signal is it crossover. The EMA crossover happened here. So this is the place to take the entry for the downside. But I was waiting for the again pullback. So here it came upside. So it touched this EMA line and the this support line. So I entered here in this candle for the downside again. See, but it went upside, but it was going to negative. Negative in the sense, this entry, but still I did not exit because I marked a trend line from this upside. Yeah, see this trend line. So, so what I think, what I thought actually, if market if cross this trend line, if it crossed it, I would have exit here. But I was waiting to break out this trend line for the exit with a loss. But again, it took the resistance here and came down. See, with a big candle. So in the beginning itself, I told you right. I made around 40,000 profit, right? See here till this place, this candle till this place, my MTM, my MTM, my profit was around some 39-40K was there till here. So my target was is actually this place. This, if I hit this target, maybe I think I would have made around 50K plus. My target is this one because why this is the gap, right? So market morning opened with a big gap up, right? So usually when market is coming down, so most of the time it will try to reach the this gap. It will fill the gap most of the time. So that is what I was waiting to reach this gap, this place. But unfortunately my market reversed here itself and it went upside. So that is the reason. Here I was I made some 17K profit, right, in the two entries. The third entry, it reversed, right. So I was waiting here, but it reversed here itself, and I lost around some 10,000 in this profit. 17,000 profit. I lost around 10,000. So I left with the only 7,000. So I'll tell you the reason why the market got reversed here in this place. The reason is actually later I found that after it reversed. So the reason is this. See, yesterday there was a small wick is there yesterday. So yesterday market formed a high this place. See exactly this place. So this wick. So that is the reason. So exactly at that point it got reversed. So actually I did not observe this week yesterday. So I my concentration was this gap. So yesterday closed here, right? So most of the time it filled this gap, but because of this week, it reversed here itself. So that is the reason I lost that profit. Some 40, some 30K, 40K profit. I lost it. But anyhow, I have closed with the some small profit around 7K. So that's it. This is the today's market. So let's meet tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.